Okay, so there's a couple of reasons why I wanted to do a third rant on math class. Reason number one is because I left some stuff out from my last two rants I did on math, and I want to put that stuff into this video. So, this video, I'm basically gonna mention some more things about math that I can't freaking stand. Um, it's like 1 in the morning right now. I thought I would do a video because I can't go to bed. So yeah, I'm gonna do a video, and I thought, why not do a math rant part 3? Because I feel like it, and there's things that I want to mention that I haven't mentioned in my previous math rant that I made. Okay, so first off, like, they make us do freaking the same things over and over again, which I've mentioned already. Like, we already know how to add, subtract, multiply, divide, but they teach us that stuff nonstop. Like, they teach it every single school year. Like, we've already learned how to do all this stuff. And they also teach us about, this order of operation stuff, like, pretty much add, subtract, multiply, divide. But, like, something that is stupid, I don't think we need this in the future. They teach us, how to, learn percent, ratings, what else? Unit rate, um, like, stuff that doesn't really seem like real math. That's what they're making us do in math class this year. You know? Like, we're given assignments to do for math, and it's pretty much basically everything I'm talking about. Like, these stupid assignments they give us for math, like, and something else I'm gonna mention, they make us do word problems. I probably mentioned this last time, but I'm gonna mention it again. They make us do word problems. Like, stupid ass word problems. They might have some useful stuff in them, but again, they shouldn't make us, excuse me, they shouldn't make us do that because, like, it's stupid and a waste of time. Like, when are we ever going to use that in the future, word problems are stupid. And again, the second time I'm saying this, there is some important stuff that might be in word problems, but again, they shouldn't make us do them because it's a waste of time. They should be teaching us the useful stuff, not the dumb stuff. You know what I'm saying? And, like, there's all kinds of stuff in math. Useless stuff and useful stuff. Like, the stuff that we do need. Adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, counting money, writing bills and checks. All that stuff is extremely important for the future. But this year, we're not learning any of that. Instead, we're doing stupid unit rate, percent, these dumbass word problems and shit. What else? I'm gonna mention everything that I can. They make us do these stupid ass fraction worksheets, which I can't freaking stand. Fractions might be useful, but I would say that it's more important to know how to count money and stuff and add and subtract. But, like, freaking, like, basically, why do we have to learn this stupid ass garbage? If it's not gonna matter in the future, why do we have to learn it? Freaking seriously. Like, I don't want to learn stupid math that I don't care for. I don't want to learn about math that is not gonna be needed when I'm older. I already know the important stuff. Why do we have to learn the stupid stuff? Like, it's freaking stupid. Like, we know how to do this crap. Like, we shouldn't have to learn it. And then they do repeats. We learn the same stuff over and over again. Like, we've learned how to add and subtract in probably freaking first grade. But yet they still teach it to us when we go to ninth grade. That's freaking stupid. Like, we already know how to do this. If we already know how to do something, then stop with the stupid ass repeats. Like, we already know how to add and subtract. We already know how to freaking you know. But and something else I want to mention, all this crap that we do in math makes no freaking sense. The stuff that I've mentioned, the unit rate, the fractions, the decimals, the percent, you know, the unit rate garbage, it makes absolutely no damn sense at all. Like, when the teacher asks me, does it make sense? No, it doesn't make sense. Why would it ever make sense? You know, stupid stuff they make us do. How does that make any sense? It doesn't make sense one bit. And freaking they think that, you know, it makes sense, but it's never gonna make sense. It's so freaking complicated, it's never gonna make sense whatsoever. Like, why would that stuff ever make any sense? Like, that stuff is, like, extremely hard. And I'll never understand it. I remember back in 6th grade, in middle school, they made us do this stupid division worksheet, and I needed help with it. And the teacher was like, do it by yourself. Like, that teacher was just a freaking, I'm not even going to use any bad words, but that teacher was just an asshole. You know, freaking, I couldn't stand my 6th grade math teacher. She was horrible. Thank God I only had her for half of the school year. I had her as my homeroom teacher, and I had her as my math teacher for only half of that year. I mean, I had her for homeroom the whole year, but half year I had her for math. This video talking about math and how it doesn't make any freaking sense. And something else I want to mention, math problems may have so many freaking steps in them, and like, you know, math problems, they might have so many freaking steps, like a long division problem, like 4 divided by, the horrible example, 131 divided by 4. You might have to take so many damn steps to complete that one problem. And like something else I can't stand, with a double-digit multiplication. For example, you know, 31 times 25. You have to do so much work to get that one problem done. You know? Like, it's stupid. And at the end, you have to add or some shit. Like, why do we gotta do all that work? Like, why does it gotta be so much on us? Like, it's really stupid. Like, don't make us do all these stupid-ass steps on just one math problem. Like, I swear to God, I can't freaking stand that. You know, they make us do all these freaking steps. I can't freaking stand that. Like, I don't want to do so many damn steps on one goddamn math problem. That is, like, ridiculous. You know? Just one math problem. Shouldn't have to be much to it. But, of course, they gotta freaking put so much shit into just one math problem. Like, and it doesn't make no sense. It doesn't make any sense whatsoever. And they think that it's gonna help us in the future. How is it gonna help us in the future? All we need to know is how to count money, write bills and checks, add, subtract, multiply, and divide. And pretty much all the useful stuff that there is. There's not a heck of a lot of other useful stuff that there is. Like, kind of having trouble talking. I'm really freaking sorry. But, yeah, basically, you get the point. Like, freaking, what I'm trying to say to you is the stuff that they make us do in math, like word problems, these stupid-ass division problems that we don't even know, or we do know, but we gotta use a calculator. Sometimes they won't even let us use a calculator, which I can't freaking stand that. Like, if we need to use a calculator, let us use a freaking calculator. Sometimes we need the calculator, you know? Sometimes they don't even let us use a calculator. They say, do it in your head. We can't always do the work in our head because it can be hard. We can lose track and stuff, you know? We can't always think about that crap in our head. Sometimes we have to use a freaking calculator. If we need to use a calculator, let us use a calculator. You know, it's stupid. Like, we can't always use our head for that, you know? It's really, really, really freaking stupid. I swear to God, like, if we gotta use a calculator, let us use a calculator, you know? Yeah, the shit that we do in math makes no damn sense for any reason whatsoever. Makes no freaking sense. You know, last year in math was more fun and more easy. This year math is hard and stupid, and we don't learn nothing important in math this year. Like, I don't understand why this shit is required, and like, my mom said she can help me with some of it, and I'm happy about that, but the thing is, though, like, freaking... I'll get you a better perspective of what they're making us do in math class. I've told you pretty much most of it, but I want to give you some more detail. Because I got an email yesterday from my math teacher. I'll go to it and I'll show you. Okay, understanding positive and negative integers, absolute value, and ordering numbers. How is that stuff going to be useful for the future? Like, that stuff is stupid. That's literally what they're making us do. Really stupid, I swear to God. And, something that is optional, we don't have to do this. We're supposed to go on IXL for 15 minutes. I'm like, screw that. I'm not going on IXL. That's stupid. Day 1, which is freaking yesterday, they were supposed to make us do stupid mixed operations. And today they're supposed to make us do stupid ass helpful hints. Craig has a $20 bill. He buys 6 squirt guns for $2 each. How much money did Craig have left? I can figure that out, but we shouldn't have to do that in school. That is stupid. We did stuff like this last year in a way, but I feel like it was a lot more useful and fun than it is this year. And then tomorrow they're like, draw it out step by step. Why do we gotta do so much work? One damn problem. And then I'm gonna mention another thing they make us do. They make us convert percentages to decimals. I don't know why that stuff matters. And then convert decimals to percentages. Like, that's stupid. Why do we gotta do that crap? It's pretty much all they gotta make us do. Yeah, I just gave you a couple examples of the shit that they make us do in math class. It's really stupid. You know, they might tell us don't use a calculator, but who cares? If I gotta use a calculator, I'll freaking use a damn calculator, you know? If it's gonna help me get my shit done, I'm gonna use it. I don't give any shits what the teacher says to me. If I need a calculator, I'm gonna use a freaking calculator. You know? All this shit that they make us do. Oh, come on. See, all this trash right here they make us do. They think it'll help us in the future. It's not going to help us in the future one bit. Which letters present negative integers? Like, why do we need to know that? That stuff is stupid. They also teach us place value, rounding, even and odd numbers, understanding integers, compare integers, put integers in order, add and subtract whole numbers, word problems, multiply by one-digit numbers and word problems and shit. Division facts to 12, division facts with, you know, freaking word problems. Like, that stuff is pretty much a lot of the shit that we do in math this year, and I can't freaking stand that garbage. Like, we know even and odd numbers. How is that hard to understand how to do even and odd? I'll tell you this, 1 is an odd number, 2 is an even number. I'm not stupid to know that. I know it. I shouldn't have to learn it when I'm in freaking 9th grade. That's stupid. I don't think you need to know positive and negative numbers. That's stupid. And then another example of what they make us do, right there. They make us do that shit in math class. I think it's extremely stupid. How is it going to teach us anything useful? And they make us do all this in a number line. Look. See that garbage there? Abby made a table showing the lowest temperature for 5... I don't want to do this garbage. Seriously. Order the towns from coldest to warmest. Like, why does that stuff gonna matter for the future? So hard and doesn't make any damn sense. And they also make us do less than and greater than stuff. Something else they make us do. All this shit right here. Basically, they make us do all of that. And they think it matters in the future when it doesn't. I'll tell you right now. Like, when I made my past math rants, when I did my math rant back in March, I was mentioning things, but I totally forgot to mention them in this video, and that's why I made a part 3. I wasn't planning to do a part 3, but I figured I would do one because there's quite some stuff that I've left out, and I want to put it in this video, so that's why I'm doing a part 3. But all this shit that we do in math, showing you right here, all this stuff they make us do, they think it'll help us in the future. How is it going to help us in the future? It's not going to help us one bit. See all this stuff? And the to-do list and shit. Look at all that trash. Like, I don't want to do all that. You know, seriously. They give us mixed operations, subtraction, multiplication, addition. You know? It's all combined together, all mixed. And they think it's useful when it's not. Well, it is, but we shouldn't have to learn it when we already know how to do it. Freaking seriously. And then there's also, we gotta go on Khan Academy sometimes, and they make us, we have these stupid assignments that we gotta do. Like, I don't understand how it'll matter for the future. Like, just let us have our break. We don't want to do this stupid-ass math shit. I'm gonna show some more examples if I can. There's a lot of stuff in here. I swear to God, so much. Like, and then they give us this freaking stupid number line trash. Like that, like just if it's never gonna make sense, why is it even worth teaching it to us? If we're never gonna learn, if it's never gonna make sense or anything, like why do we gotta learn it? Like that's bullshit, you know? Like word problems right here. Word problems. Stupid word problems. Don't want to do this shit. They think it'll matter. I keep on repeating my freaking self, but you know, freaking seriously. They shouldn't have to make us do this trash. You know? I am like freaking... But yeah, this is the video. Freaking Math Sucks Part 3. That's what this video is. I can't stand math. You guys know I hate math. It is one of the most stupidest and most useless classes you'll ever take in school. And they think like we're gonna need some of it in the future. I'll have to understand that, but like we shouldn't have to learn the stuff that doesn't make sense. That's what I'm trying to say here. If there's something in math that is never gonna make sense, we shouldn't have to learn it. I think that is like stupid and, you know, bull crap. Like, if it's never gonna make sense to us, we shouldn't have to learn it. You know, like, that's freaking stupid. Like, we shouldn't have to learn, you know, like, if it makes no sense at all, if it'll never make sense, we shouldn't have to learn it. You know? That's basically what I'm trying to put out here. You know? You know, math is just stupid. Like, we shouldn't have to learn that shit. This is going to be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Be sure to have an awesome day. I'm really sorry I didn't make a video yesterday. We just got our shower head replaced, and I'll probably show it in another video. And I have a surprise to show you as well. I got a new vacuum. It's a Bissell. I'm going to show it to you probably in my next video because I want to show my new vacuum really bad. So I'll show it to you in probably my next video. But this video is basically me explaining math is stupid. And I explained a lot of more reasons in this video than I did in my last 2 math rants that I made. So hope you enjoyed. Of course, I hope you agree with this. I hope you have an awesome day. And also, I want to mention something else. So the video is over, but I want to mention something else. We're supposed to get some severe storms today with damaging wind gusts, with frequent lightning and heavy rain. So I'm thinking of probably making a video of it. I'm really going to cross my fingers and hope that we have a storm. See, I'm crossing my fingers right now. I'm crossing my fingers hoping that we're going to have a thunderstorm today. I really want to get a video of a thunderstorm, you know, because there was we did have a thunderstorm. We had our first thunderstorm on March 29th, but it happened around 10 o'clock at night, and I was asleep, so for that reason, I missed it, and I'm pretty bummed out about that, but hopefully if we have a storm today, which I'm really hoping, they're saying that we might, I'll be more than happy to get a video of it, and I'll make sure my iPad's charged just so I can get a video of the thunderstorm. So I just wanted to put that out there. I did find the new vacuum cleaner out in the trash. I'll show it to you in my next video, and I'll also show you the new shower head that we have. And our old shower head was junk. It was trash. Didn't even work anymore. So I can't wait to show you the new shower head. I'll probably show you the vacuum and the new shower head in my next video. Just wanted to put those things in there. But hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you agree. Math sucks. I'll have to admit, some of it will be useful, but not all of it, you know? We shouldn't have to be repeated the same crap that we already know over and over again, and we shouldn't be taught stuff that doesn't make sense. If we don't know it, if it'll never make sense to us, why even teach why even teach us that stuff? If it's never gonna make sense, then just why bother even teaching us that stuff, you know? Like, seriously. I'm going to end off the video here. Be sure to have a wonderful day. R is for red. And I'll talk to you in my next video. And again, hope you agree with this video. Be sure to subscribe. Be sure to hit the like button. Be sure to turn on post notifications. And I did reach 140 subscribers. I'm really happy about that. And of course, I'd love to have more, so please subscribe if you have not done so already. I would so appreciate that. But with that being said, guys, have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Crap. So yeah, hope you agree with this rant. Hope you agree that math sucks. Of course, everyone hates math. I don't know why people would like math, you know? Something that you can't understand, why do you have to learn it, you know? If it's not going to make sense, never going to make sense, like, why do we have to learn it? Why is it going to matter if we don't know it? Like, seriously. I'm supposed to have a video call with my math teacher, too, and shit, like, you know, it's freaking stupid, like. But yeah, I'm going to end off the video here. Hope you enjoyed. Be sure to have an awesome day. And remember, R is for red.